So, hello and welcome to yet another episode of the live sessions. My name is Naresh Kumar, and we are back again. So, today's topic is it's a framework on intensify your personality. Now, this is a very like it's a new topic. Maybe first time you have heard from me actually. Now, why this is important actually? Now, by the word you can understand, intensify your personality. Intensify your personality intensify personality why this has come actually intensify your personality. I'm just emphasizing on the personality. Now this personality is basically I'm basically trying to help college students and freshers. Now these two category people are looking for the job, and they think that immediate getting into the corporate will set their life onto the great career. It's not that. Most of the time what happens, they sometimes switch from one company to the other company, and it happens actually, and it takes long time to come to a stable position actually. Now, why this is happening? Because first thing is the mindset problem is there. Second thing is that some social skill or the people skill is missing in them, and for that reason they are getting delayed to come to the to their on the rider's seat actually. Otherwise they are only in the back seat. Fourth thing is that some skills are required so that they which can accelerate their progress actually. So these are the some things. There are many things are there. Now these are the important things which will accelerate your career and for everybody's career. I'm basically talking about the freshers and the college students, these two category people, because they are in urgent need of a job. Now to get a job, personality improvement is the only one solution which can set your career on the driver's seat. You can accelerate your career in a very faster way. You don't need to wait for very long, because you understand that when you get into the corporate, one thing which is stopping you is that your people skill or the social skill. The more you are able to connect with the people, with the higher authority or with the other people, your colleague, the more you are able to progress yourself faster. We grow together. We grow together, not alone. This is very important actually. Now, my whole framework is revolving around this personality, and what are the ingredients that will make a personality enhance or a great. The end result is you'll have a very great personality, and the byproduct is you'll get a job. You can also say that the end result is job, but these two things are interrelated. When you go to the interview, they will be asking you, they'll be checking your only the personality. If you're able to express your personality, that means you are most welcome to the organizations. And in any organizations, if you're freshers, they're not looking for any kind of no they're not looking anything on the table, because you don't have anything. You're freshers. What they're looking is that you must have a good personality. If you're having a very good personalities with you, then done. You'll be welcomed in all the organization. Almost all the organizations welcomes you. Now the problem comes when you're not having when you're not having a sufficient amount of people skill or the social skill. These two things are pulling you back. Even if you enter into the corporate world, you get a job, suppose. Now maybe for some reason, like, there are many factors are there where your growth is very slow actually initially, just because of this reason actually, because you're not having this people skill, social skill. A lot of skills are there inside it. There are many skills are there, like persuasion skill, selling yourself. There's also one thing, how you are able to present yourself, presentation skill. Many things are there. Persuasion skill. Yeah, so these are the things which is required by you. If you don't have these things, then you are going to face a lot of problems. You'll be delayed in your progress. And everybody wants a good progress, a faster growth, a career growth in the J shape, exponential growth. And for that, you need to have a holistic kind of a like approach to get there. Now, this framework will help you for this. Now, how? Let me tell you. This framework have included everything in it. Starting from the first thing which you need is the number one is the mindset. If your mindset is the one thing which is pulling you back. If you're able to, overcome this mindset problem, then the rest, almost 50% problem is solved. Rest all you can do it. Now, this mindset is the only thing which is differentiate from the others. Maybe beside you, somebody is there who is like we can be, you may admire him. Now, what is the difference between him that you admire him? You admire him and he don't. or maybe he is someone who is like capable of on many things. Why he is capable of on many things, why you are not? Just only difference is that he is having that mindset and you are not having that. If you had that mindset, then you would also have been among them sitting at that place. Yes, it's only the mindset. They invest in their learning, they put time and effort in their learning, and then they progress. Same thing, you should also have that mindset. Now, the first thing is mindset. Second thing is your people skill. People skill. People skill and the social skill. These two skills are very, very necessary to be into a job, to be employable, to be, progress your career. These two skills are very, very important. If you're ignoring it, then ignoring your growth. If you are ignorant of these skills, then you are ignorant of your growth. It shows that you are not caring about your growth. You only want to survive. You don't want to progress. You don't want your development. Only you want to survive. So these two skills are very, very important. Third one is the leadership skills. Now, to have a very good personality, this is also very important ingredients in your recipe. So this leadership skill has a lot of things, and like you may have been learning for so long from the college onwards. The leaderships are this, that, those, and various types of leadership style or whatever be. But you need to have a leadership which is a holistic one. I'll not go deep into it because this is just I'm giving you information. The next one is the job skill. Now, what is this job skill actually? You must be capable, you must be aware about all the things, necessary things. It can be like how to crack an interview. You must have a presentation skill. You must, have a resume building skill, because initially you don't know everything. You don't know anything. You don't know how to crack an interview. You're just dependent upon the luck that luck will help you because you know somewhat to talk about. You are having an average, you are having a good communication skill, you think, and so you think that you'll be able to cross it. It sometimes becomes very difficult actually, sometimes. And for them it is very difficult, those who are not aware about this thing, because you must be able to present it yourself. I'm not saying that you are not the right person, you are not the eligible person. You may be very eligible, but still you may not be able to get the job. And the problem is that you are not able to present yourself in a structured way. And that there comes interview preparations. You need to present it. You need to have that thorough preparation. You need to know when to speak what. So that is one thing. And another, like resume building and all, you need to know how to present yourself in written form also. That is also important thing. What you need to share first. What are the important things you need to talk about? So these are the important things you need to know actually. So that is for resume. Because first thing is the resume. They'll select you from the resume, and when you are selected, shortlisted, then you'll be called for the interview. So these are the process actually. And there are many other things which is required in the job skill. And the last one is, that is the branding part. Now, branding is very important actually. If you are not giving importance to branding, then you are doing a very big mistake. Because a good personality, a good leaders, he must have a good connections also. He must be able to, converse, must have good, like connections, as well as he must be able to reachable. He must be known to others. Others should know you. Your influence should be there. And for that reason, the branding comes into it. Brand. You are yourself are a brand. It's something like if you ignore all these things, then what will happen? It seems like if you are going to present somebody and then you say blah 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 and he don't understand, he don't believe you. Why? Because jungle mein mor nacha kisne dekha? Something like that. Nobody knows you. So you must be known to others. There should be visibility in front of the other leaders. So branding comes there. So these are the 5 ingredients, the 5 steps which I have included. I'll share this PPT, not PPT. I have this slide and I'll share it on social media, and then you can see how this 5-step framework works actually. And do comments what you feel, what else is required in it to make a great personality. Everything is just related to the personality. How to enhance it, how to make it great personality. So you can share your comments and everything. So that's all for today. And if you have anything to share, please do comments, or anything you want to ask any question, you can comment. So see you then. Bye bye. Take care.